Welcome folks, let's get straight into it. In this video, I'll explain to you how to install Claude's new finance plugins. This is Anthropic's official documentation, and they say that in Cowork, open settings, plugins, and add plugin, and then paste this URL to get these installed. This is actually not going to work. Settings, plugin, add plugin is pretty rough in terms of directions. So what you actually need to do is you need to go to this website, and that is linked in the description below. You're going to go to Claude Cowork, customize, plugins, press plus, create plugin, marketplace, and then paste a different link. For example, this is us in Claude Cowork. I press customize, I press plus, I press create plugin, add marketplace. This is the initial URL that Anthropic has shared, and I'm going to press sync, and this is not going to work. So now we're going to go to this website, quickly copy this, replace this, and we're going to try this. Boom, that works. So I have a few of these already installed. Let's, as an example, I'm going to install financial analysis, and boom, it says financial analysis is installed and ready to use. So pretty straightforward. The documentation is just pointing to the wrong things and the instructions are not clear, probably written by AI as well.